The Meghalaya Human Rights Commission marked International Human Rights Day today with the theme Our Rights, Our Future Right Now. The event was graced by Honorable Governor of Meghalaya C.H. Vijayashankar as a chief guest and Agatha K. Sangma, chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, as the guest of honor. Sangma highlighted the significance of human rights as the foundation of dignity, equality and freedom, expressing eagerness for future collaborations. Governor Vijayashankar reaffirmed his commitment to promoting culture, brotherhood and human rights in the state, assuring that the door of Raj Bhavan remains open to the Commission.
The Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the United Nations provides a global framework for protecting fundamental rights and freedoms. These rights include the right to life, liberty and security, freedom from oppression and discrimination, the rights to education, work and a standard of living, and freedom of thought, expression and religion.